Welcome back to the second part of recurrent urinary tract infections. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Malavika Appasani, Cosmetic and Functional Gynecologist from Eternelle Aesthetics, Hyderabad. So when it comes to how to prevent these infections, so first we have to know that if your urine infections is at more than twice you're getting urine infection in just 6 months span, or if you're getting more than thrice infection in just 1 year span, then you come under category of recurrent urinary infection. So firstly, to prevent these urinary infection, we have to follow a specific personal hygiene. That means to clean the private parts from front to back. So nowadays we have lot of toilet hygiene products available in the market. So if you're traveling, no need to unnecessarily dehydrate yourself and get urinary infection. So might as well drink plenty of water, but use these toilet hygiene products to keep the toilet seats clean and have a healthy toilet experience. We also have stand and pee products available in the market, so we can use those also, but make sure that you are well hydrated and using safe toilet method. So while cleaning private parts also, it's always advisable to clean from front to back rather than from back to front, so that we can avoid the bacteria coming into the urinary region. And also at the time of sexual intercourse, it's always advisable to wash priorly before the intercourse and also wash post intercourse. Make sure you don't do vaginal douching, that is cleaning of the vagina. It's just external cleaning is enough to keep your private parts clean. So when it comes to menstrual hygiene, then also it's very important to change sanitary napkins or any sanitary products once in every 4 to 6 hours, so that we don't use the sanitary pads for longer duration, and this will lodge more bacteria and more infections. So make sure you change frequently. And also when you wash your private parts, make sure you use cold water to lukewarm water and not hot waters. So this will make sure that the skin is well moistured with its natural oils and it will protect itself. So when we are talking about recurrent urinary infection in a menopause or perimenopausal age group, it is more because of less estrogen in their body, and because of this their urethra or vaginal mucosa is not able to maintain its health so that it can protect itself from external bacteria. So for here, these people, we have non-hormonal options and hormonal options. So in non-hormonal options, we can give them some probiotics so that these probiotics lodge in their urethra and vagina and protect them, or we can do some vaginal lasers which will rejuvenate these tissues and prevent infection. And hormonal options are when we give them little hormones, that is estrogen. This estrogen will again build their urethral mucosa, vaginal mucosa, and prevent recurrent infections in these patients. So finally, when we are dealing with lifestyle or metabolic diseases like diabetes, or lifestyle diseases like PCOS, where sugars are high and they are more prone for infection, or sometimes some lifestyle issues like sedentary lifestyle, not drinking enough water, or they are not doing exercise to keep their immunity high, or they are using recurrent use of antibiotics for something just like a common cold or something else where they can avoid and boost their immunity, or over the counter medication. In all these cases, they are naturally decreasing their immunity, and that is why there is recurrent urinary infection. So here it's very important to have a proper lifestyle, that is maintain your blood sugars well by taking some medication, meet your doctor, do regular exercise, make sure you drink plenty of water at a good intervals, not at once. So you have at least half glass of water every hourly, like that regular intervals. Make sure you're well hydrated, decrease sweet content or easy like high glycemic index food in your diet. So your sleep also should be fine. So increase your natural immunity of the body, take some nice supplements which help you boost your immunity, so that you can naturally prevent these recurrent infections from occurring. So I hope this video is informative. If you really like the video, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notifications.